What up, what up? This shit busy. We got the cylinder head. We just picked the cylinder head up right now. Finna repaint it because, you know, when they hot tanked it, they got everything, the paint, you know, is gone. So let's go though. Oh yeah, we good. Well, Rico, why you didn't block off? Man, I didn't need to block off the ports, bro. You know how to paint shit. As long as you ain't doing nothing stupid like spraying inside the damn cylinders, like, come on. Common sense, bro. Yeah. Alright, we good. Wait for this to dry and then take these studs out and then put the Speed Factory titanium studs in. Yes, I bought some Speed Factory titanium exhaust studs. Gorgeous. We good. So just wait for this to dry and I catch y'all in the room, baby. Alright, boys. So here are the Speed Factory titanium exhaust studs. No, they do not sell these like this. Burnt tip, raw nut, burnt washer. I did them that way because I like it and nobody have them like this. So yeah, so let's take these studs out. It shouldn't be too tight. Nope. Pretty easy. We just got finished painting the head. Back looking sexy. About to give it some more sex. I know some people, when these are super tight, you have to put the bolt on backwards. Well, put a nut on backwards and then put a nut on forward, tighten them, and then get them out of there when they're in there like super tight. That's how you remove intake and exhaust studs. These is aftermarket too. I don't know what brand though. And they pretty soft. They're not like forged or anything like that. These are can I talk? These are some pretty soft exhaust studs because I'm not even gripping these hard, even though this is way harder than these studs right here. I'm like barely gripping these, dude, and it's putting an indent in these. Jeez, I'm fucking like, what's going on today? Rico? Tongue tied, bro? But yeah, these are not even in tight at all, like whatsoever. Yeah, I can't believe I broke that guy, dude, like off in the head. When I did that, I was so mad, dude. Like, man, now I gotta take this bastard to the machine shop to get this fixed. But ain't no telling, the head probably needed refreshing anyway. If y'all hear some laughing and talking in the background, it's my mama. Okay, boys, so now that we have all of those up out of there, take your stud and then just twist it by hand. They got a little Allen tip too, so I forgot about that already. So let me go get an Allen head and I'll be right back. Alright, cool. And then take a washer and then take your nut. And booyah, just like that, baby. We are looking gorgeous. So I'm gonna do the rest of these and we can take some photos. Time lapse. And just like that, boys, all the studs are in and looking real nice. Washers and nuts are right here. I love the way titanium feel, bro, and the sound. Love it. Oh, also got the Burton's racing coil bracket. I gotta polish it again after I painted it. Got a little paint on the front. But yeah, this guy here, and also my coil and plug delete cap got here. Already got it modified, chopped, so y'all should know how this looks normally. You know, it got a piece of metal right here. It's just a block hole plate, but I wanted it to be a little bit thinner, so I chopped it, and then we're gonna get some aluminum, you know, sheet metal, bend it, and then cut it, and then get it welded, so it'll have a flat spot right here. It'll be flat right here and flat right here. Just, you know, something I wanted to do. Didn't have to, but you know, it's just something that popped in my head that I wanted to do. Look kind of crazy, but yeah. And that will be it. And that's how you install some Speed Factory titanium exhaust studs. But this is your boy SI Rico, and remember guys, never waste your time. And oh, we're just waiting on the head gasket, and as soon as the head gasket get here, and we'll be bolting this bad boy right on and continuing breaking the motor in. But this your boy SI Rico, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Never waste your time. I'm out. Peace.
No one ever said it'd be easy. No one ever said it won't take no time. No one ever seemed to believe me. No one ever thought that I could make those rhymes. And no one ever said it'd be easy.